Hello everybody, here's my latest panel, angelfish, and I just really like the shapes that they make together, the negative space, the pattern they make. Those of you that are familiar with my work will know that I love repetition and pattern. And when we arrange these, we make sure that no two colours together, so the yellows are evenly distributed, as are the oranges, the reds and the blues and so on. And I just find it really pleasing, especially with the light behind it like now. And one of them's going the other way, which is a bit of fun. Everybody always relates to that and says, oh, that's me going the other way. But of course, if we're all going the other way, then we're not, are we? We're all going in the same direction. Anyway, that's that. As usual, I've written an accompanying verse which goes like this. The angelfish. In order for us to find a mate, we angelfish have to tessellate. Our heads and tails are triangles, and together we're an aquatic quadrangle.